Hello, I'm back. It's Tuesday Retro Reviews, and I'm trying to boot up on the ZX Spectrum Renegade. Now, this was a really good game on the Spectrum. I mean, really good. That's a great picture as well. So detailed. Probably doesn't look fantastic on here, but when I'm looking at it, the Spectrum just had really good detailed graphics. I'm also booting up on the Commodore 64. Get it on. See if it's working. Oh well, that is supposed to be Paperboy. So I thought there would be a picture on there, but there's not. But that is the Commodore 64. And there's the Paperboy box, which you can't really see. The light isn't brilliant here. I'll just show you. Oh, there you go. There you go. There's the Paperboy picture on the Commodore 64. Right, I'm going to put it back on the Spectrum because that was the one I loaded up, and hopefully that'll be done soon. I won't actually play it. So I don't know if I mentioned before, but I've got actually a Commodore 64, the SCAR lead back in the back of this TV. I've also got my ZX Spectrum. I've also got Mega Drive. I haven't got that on at the moment. I've just been playing Sonic just to test it out, and the all work, which is fantastic. There's Sonic there, by the way. Yeah, so I'm so glad I got these LED lights. You know, it just sets the whole shed off really. I'm so happy. This has been like not been easy to do for a while actually. I've had these in the loft for God knows how long, and I don't know how they're still working, but they are. The Mega Drive as well, that's been stuffed in a cupboard somewhere. But yeah, there's not. Well, them lights are 3 meters long, and that's the length of my shed. And really, it's probably a meter and a half, probably width. I've also got bikes in here. I've still got garden and stuff in here. So this side really is. This is still for the garden. All this rubbish here. But I've got some games here on the shelf. There one's is Commodore 64, which I haven't got many of. Build that collection up. That's an old joystick, which doesn't work very well. Yeah, so that's the Commodore stuff I've got. ZX Spectrum, a few games here. I'll talk about them some other time. And a few games here on the shelf, and right at the top, my old 48K ZX Spectrum with my old PSP, which doesn't work anymore. But yeah, the shed is alive and kicking. Hope to get some proper reviews in soon. This is just introduction really. My shed is actually decent now. I would say about 85%, 90% done. I'm gotta probably do a few other bits and bobs, but it all takes time, doesn't it? Shall we see how the Spectrum's getting on anyway? Please work. Has it worked? Has it worked? Yes! It's bloody worked! Right. I'm going to try to set this phone down, right? The angle is not going to be great, but hopefully you can still see the screen okay, alright? Oh, no, that's a bit too close. Right, just give us a second to sort this out. Right, not perfect, but you can see he's playing. I'm playing this on with the keys, so I have not played this game for God knows how long, but I can't wait to have a shot, to tell you the truth. The joystick doesn't work, so it's a keys for me, which I don't mind. I don't mind keys. O, P, Q, A. Oh. It does help put the right keys in and do that again. Left, right, down, up, space to hit. Let's go. God's sake, I haven't seen this for years. Oh, don't get in line with them because I think this is a brilliant beat 'em up on the Spectrum. Really is. It's also Target Renegade, which was even better. But you can't fault this. It might seem a bit slow, you know, compared to like today's games, but back in the day, this was brilliant. This was brilliant. Lay them in the knackers. That's what you want to do. Oh, yeah. I'm doing well here. Ooh. Oh, the big boss. I'm in trouble. Yes. You're going down, boy. God, you can't go on top of him. Oh. Oh, no. Don't kill us, don't kill us. Come on. Oh, no. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna get him. Yes. First level complete. Oh, I gotta jump on. Jump, kick these spikers off, haven't you? Oh, not get run over. Right, come on then, come on then. Oh! God, I've got to get him off the bike now. Yeah, get down. Right, here they come. Oh, another one. You get down as well. I was testing out both commandos on the Spectrum and the 64 last night. I'm a sucker for the Spectrum, but I honestly think the playability is better than the 64. It's just the machine gun bullets go longer, so you can kill more soldiers on the screen. I know, obviously, everyone knows the Rob Hubbard tune is brilliant. Can't deny that. But playability, I think the Spectrum is better. Plus, the Spectrum, I didn't know this until a few years ago, but the Spectrum had all the arcade levels. The 64 hasn't, which I can't believe it. Unless all the memory went on the tuner, who knows. But yeah, it's a great little... Elite done a fantastic job on the ZX Spectrum version. And the 64 one as well, but I just prefer the quiet version of Commando on the ZX Spectrum. It just plays better, and I've tried it last night. I got the furthest I've ever got. Probably got the 4th level Commando on the ZX Spectrum last night. I couldn't get off the 1st level in the Commodore 64 version. It's just maybe they didn't try hard enough, I don't know. But I will do a comparison and show you what I mean at some point in the future. I'm gonna get past these, aren't I? Oh, wait a minute. Come on. Ah, kicking the knackers again. Oh yeah, you can go on the ground and punch them. I thought you could. Oh. I'm dead. 1 life left. But anyway, I just wanted to show you Renegade on the ZX Spectrum 48. Well, actually this is the 128 version. I think you can probably do a few more extra moves or something. I don't know. tune's probably a bit better, who knows. Yeah, so that is that one. Right, we'll just leave it there. Hopefully, Paperboy will be ready on the Commodore. We'll have a look. Fingers crossed. It's worked. Get in. So I played this a long time ago at my cousin's house. He had a 64, I didn't. We used to play it to death on it. This and Commando and a few others. So we'll have a quick blast. Can't possibly be any good up. Oh, God, that's a good start. Oh my God. Come on. This is just terrible. Oh, look at Sinclair C5. Sir Clive Sinclair. What a legend. Right, come on. No messing about here. Come on, get one in. Did I get one in? I think I did. I'm going to have a few turns of this, I think, because I'm not very good at it, as you can see. Brilliant tune on the 64, isn't it? Oh, just right, come on, where's this? Oh. Right, I've got to get further than that. That's just shockingly bad. Some games I'm good, some games I'm absolutely terrible. So just bear with us. Go on. Right, don't go on the curve, don't go on the curve. Now go on the curve. Oh, good. No. Oh, how weird, that should have went in. Right, come on. I just want to get the racetrack. I'll get the racetrack, I'll be happy. The name of the game is just to post the papers and not avoid all the obstacles. I'm gonna smash some windows. Oh, I got one. Get in. See, there's little sun boxes there. Oh, come on. I did. Nah, I'm not finishing yet because I've got to get the racetrack just to prove I can. I've played a lot of versions of this. I never really played it at the arcades, I don't think. I quite like this Spectrum version, of course, as well. Even though it's monochrome, it's quite playable. Oh, oh yeah. Got some windows, then you got sun in. Come on. Oh, you're taking the mick. Last go. I don't get to it this time. Fair enough. Bloody fat joggers in the wheels. Oh, I've got a paper in. Bloody Sinclair C5. How did I not get that in? Why? Oof. Just see it, man. Damn. Okay, I'm done. I'm not very good at I haven't practiced at this a bit. Hope you liked a couple of reviews there in the retro shed. Hopefully more to come. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you again. If you like this video, like and subscribe if you don't mind. Just have a conversation in the chat. Hopefully got a lot more games to play as well. Goodbye, see you later.